Hey guys, welcome to another nursery vlog. Jacob and I are working on putting more together for the nursery. I'm officially 29 weeks pregnant today, and I am really feeling like the nesting. Like I'm ready to get more of his nursery done and get more things organized. So we are now going to be hanging up, or Jacob will be hanging up some wall decor. And also, if you didn't know this, Jacob actually has a YouTube channel where he does like handyman type things and shows you how to do all of that. So if you want to see more of the behind the scenes, like how to hang up stuff and his take on it, then check out his channel. It's called No Nothing Garage. I'll have it linked below. But therefore, since we are officially hanging things up, I had to make a final decision on where I want things. So yeah, we're going to keep it like this with the dresser. And then we have our little chair here. This mirror is going to go above the dresser, and that's how we have it in our bedroom as well. And then we have the crib over to the side. I'm still trying to figure out exactly what I want to put above the crib, getting more of the nursery together. So we got these two wall prints hung up, which I've had for a long time. And Jacob got these two wall prints hung up. Check out his channel for where he hangs them up.
You tested out the rocking chair. It worked real good, huh?
Yeah, that's what I did. And they look super cute. Do you like them, Jake?
Yeah, they look good.
So here is a look at the nursery now. Jacob hung up the mirror and the shelf. Obviously, it looks so good. I'm just like obsessed. I think it looks so good. I love that we now have like more pops of color in here, so it like brings it out a little bit more. And then over to this side, we have the other print hanging up. So we still need to figure out what we're gonna do with like this big wall. Again, I don't want to put any like picture frames above the crib, so we'll need to find what we want to do right above it. But anyway, I think that it's looking super cute. Like as you walk in, it just feels so homey and just like the exact like theme and everything that I was going for. Jacob did lots of projects for us today, and we just had one little accident. So we're spackling, repainting. If you watch Jacob's video,
woo,
you'll see why.
Happy little accidents.
That's right. And then we have to do this one too, which is where we had the dresser mounted earlier. So we'll just re-spackle and paint and good as new. The next thing on my nesting to-do list is to clean out our under the stairs closet.
Yikes.
Because it's atrocious, and we want to be able to move the stroller there because right now it's been in the nursery, so we want to move it to the closet. So it's pretty gnarly. We got just a lot of junk back here, and it also wraps around the corner of the staircase.
It's where we keep our Christmas decorations.
Yeah, Christmas, and obviously just the rest of all of our crap that needs to get cleaned out.
About to leave, already packing, come with me. I'm not really asking, we'll get away to a place where we don't know.
So it's the beginning of March, which you know what is going around, so we found this tiny little bit of hand sanitizer left over. Liquid gold right here.
This is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free with me.
This is now so much better, a lot cleaner, and we're able to fit the whole stroller, car seat, and everything for right now in here. Obviously, we'll take it out in a couple months, but until then, we'll just have it all stored away downstairs here. And this may be a good place to keep it, like, regularly, too, when we aren't out and about using it. We could definitely keep it in this closet as long as we keep everything else clean. And then we ended up with a bunch of empty boxes because we, like, went through a bunch of stuff. And this is all Goodwill, just one giant box of Goodwill stuff. So, it feels good to purge, and also, if we wouldn't have actually looked in the closet, this stuff would be here for forever in the back of our closet. Okay guys. Our nesting continues. Yeah, because I've ordered things and you get to put them together.
Yay.
Or put them up. So we've had a few boxes arrive to the house. Woo. So I thought that we'd open them up and show you guys the things that we got for home and nursery. Again, I was on a little bit of a Target shopping spree to get things like for our house to be more settled in. We also did have some things that were ordered off of our baby registry. Baby showers are still kind of up in the air depending on what the next month entails for germs, but we've had people who are like, we're coming to our baby showers, who just sent us things to our house. So we were sent these crib sheets, which again, we still don't have a mattress, but maybe we will soon. These are llama crib sheets from Target, really cute. We also got this Hatch baby sound machine. I put this on my registry. I thought it was so cool because it syncs with your phone, and it's also a nightlight time to rise, so he can definitely use this for a long time. So I was really excited about this sound machine. And then we also were gifted a Bumbo floor seat. What do we have, Jake?
It says Good Night Moon. It's a book, I think.
Yeah. Actually, that's from my grandma. She texted me and said that she accidentally ordered 2.
Oh.
So
that means I get a copy.
I guess you get a copy. Oh, cute.
Are those cactus mittens?
It's a cactus, like, teething mitt.
Oh, cute.
Okay, so we got this Milk Snob nursing cover and car seat cover thing, which is really cute, that I had on my registry. And then also a cactus teething mitt, which again is like the theme of his room. So I'll put on my registry like a few like cactus-y things, so super cute. Oh, these I had to order for myself because I had to make my order like enough to buy another item. So I bought little baby mittens that were cheap off of my registry too.
Wow.
Okay.
Getting the big boxes out. Ugh. She's a waste.
Oh, they really bubbled it. I ordered these canvas prints for our hallway. I don't know where the best lighting is, but I thought that they were cute. I think they're cute.
You obviously didn't consult your interior designer.
You're the interior designer? Okay.
Whoa!
That was why I had to flip over.
There's a big box.
Okay, this is the goodie box.
Freaking box thing. She's a whiz.
So I plan to put this up in the nursery on the dresser to hold like diapers, creams, and all of that stuff. Clean diapers.
I'm just saying, he's gonna poop on that. Did you buy the world's heaviest trash can?
Yes, actually. Okay, I got this marble wastebasket for our downstairs bathroom because the one that we have is for my parents.
It's ugly.
And it is ugly. No offense, Mom.
No offense, Mom, you're not ugly.
I got a bath rug for our guest bath upstairs and a curtain for our guest bathroom upstairs. It has like a shelf area with like a curtain, so we need a new one. I thought this was so freaking cute.
What does that say?
It says powder room.
It's just scribbles.
I got this cute sign to put up in our downstairs bathroom, and then got a candle to put as decor in the bathroom.
I think that's it.
I think that is it.
Oh, no, it's not.
What else did I get? Oh,
Oh.
and this is to hold toilet paper above the toilet in the bathroom. That's it.
I think so. She's a whiz. That thing was packed.
Yeah, I ordered a lot of stuff. So it's the next day. I think this vlog is just like a week-long span of us getting things ready and settled, but I wanted to show you a few more things that I got. First off, I got these cactus garland and this llama garland. I just got these off of Amazon, but I thought that they were really cute. There you go, this little llama, which is really cute. And then these cactus. And so these garlands, I just have sitting right here over the crib, but I'm going to eventually put them up on the wall here. So I think that those will be cute with the decor of the room. So another thing that I recently took advantage of was getting some diapers. So the Honest Company has diapers that are the cutest prints and obviously like good quality diapers, but they're typically kind of expensive, but they were actually running a promotion that if for your first batch of like diapers and wipes, it was like 40% off or something, plus they were already on sale. So I basically got them for half off, I think it was. So I spent like $45 on all of these diapers that I'll show you, it's like 7 packs of diapers and then I want to say 4 packs of wipes. Okay, so here's all the prints that I got. These cute ones that are just like blue and green stripes. I got a lot of those. I got 4 of that design. And then there were these ones that have like giraffes on them. So I thought that those were cute. There they are. And then these ones that have cars on them. Kind of hard to see them all, but they have car designs. And then these ones, which I wish I would have gotten more of these actually. These are donut ones. So those are really cute. And these are all size 1 diapers. And then it also came with the packs of wipes. So I now have a little bit of a diaper supply, which is kind of exciting. So I'm planning to use the dresser as our changing station, and then I have room here to put like the diaper pail. So I will get like the changing pad here, but I wanted to use this bin to keep diapers and wipes and cream or like whatever else I'll need out. So I think this will be like a good use of that here. And so I just put a pack of diapers here. That's all I'm going to open up. And these are size 1. So again, I'm just doing this for looks right now because I assume that he'll be in like newborn diapers when he's actually born. So I will have to probably wait a little bit to use these, but they were just so cute. I just wanted to have them out. And then I'm just going to put some diapers and wipes in the top drawers of the dresser here to have stuff put away. So I think that that is all of our nesting for now. So thanks for hanging out and joining us in our little nesting and baby prep adventure. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next one. Bye.